This mom kept hearing strange noises coming from her dryer vent, and she knew something was not right. So she pulled the pipe outside and asked her neighbor to help check what was stuck inside. But getting it out was not easy. Whatever was trapped inside was hanging on really tight, almost like it refused to leave. They tried several times to pull it out, but nothing happened. Then she tried one last thing, and it finally worked. The moment it came out, everyone was completely surprised by what they saw. I'll show you. But first, if money is more important to you than your mom, skip this video. But if you love your mom more than money, hit like, subscribe, share this video, and also drop a heart in the comments if you truly love your mom. Guys, watch closely.